Bits versus the goat. Oh, there's another goat watching you, Bits. You might want to get out of there. Oh, you're just going to sit down? No, I guess they're ignoring you. Or maybe not. Oh. Come on, Bits. Let's go for a walk. You all want to go for a walk? All right. Come on, boy goats. Come on. Where's Sophia? Oh, here she is. She always stays right by me. There's Sophia. Let's go for a little walk, Sophia. Get you a little bit of exercise. Y'all coming? Let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on. Sophia, are you eating goat poop? Come on. I don't think your mom would approve of that. Bits, are you rolling in it? Bits. Make better choices. Bits. You think you're going to sleep with me tonight? Bits. All right, come on. Y'all coming? Y'all want to come? Come on. Well, the guineas are coming. Come on. All right, let's go for a little walk.